Hi everyone, again I'm come back to one of the interesting course. Today I'll tell you about the best TikTok marketing courses. These all the courses are online, and if you want more information about the online courses, then subscribe our channel Course Avatar and click on the bell icon so always we get updated whenever I upload a new video. Anyway, let's get started. So our first course is the TikTok marketing course. Grow your account and master in the TikTok ads. It's provided by the Udemy, and here you will learn all the topics like using TikTok growth strategies to attract the clients and using TikTok ads to boost the business growth, or learning the TikTok advertisement and analytics. And this course it's the introductory course to the great. Anyone who wants to interested in creating the TikTok content, they definitely go for this course. It's totally like a TikTok commercials for the business. Also can businessmen also can use this, and professionals also can use this. Go for this course. Go and check out the link given below. So our next course is TikTok Ads Masterclass course. This course is also provided by the Udemy, and here you will learn the topics like use of TikTok pixels and custom events, how can use them, how you can create the sharp and reach advertisements, and your TikTok budgets and conversations optimizations, and TikTok videos creations and editing, how you can do that. And this course is in to learn this course, it doesn't need any period expertise and required. It's a beginner friendly course. Just you need is a stable internet connection and small marketing budget, which complex the some assignments that you can do it when you are learning this course. Go and check out the link. So our next course is a TikTok ads for the beginners course. This is how you can grow your account with the ads, and it's provided by the Courses City. And here you will learn the topics like TikTok advertising, maybe set up and run about the 30 minutes and increase your followers quickly, how you can gain the hundreds and thousands of followers in few days or weeks. And this course is for the beginners who wants to learn more about ads on the TikTok, how you can become the popular on the TikTok. You definitely go. So next course is advertising and e-commerce on the TikTok. It's provided by the Coursera, and here you will learn the topics like marketing plan, social media marketing, e-commerce marketing analysis. And this course is for the beginners level course. And in this course, you are often updated by the reflected new trending approaches on the app modifications, or the course has all the information that you needed to success on the TikTok. Go and check. So our next course is a TikTok marketing course. Is a 10 strategies of rapid growth on the TikTok. It's provided by the Udemy, and here you will learn the live. You can boost your TikTok profile and make the viral content on the TikTok algorithms, and how you can offer the excellent TikTok yells to exchange the shorts, and you can use the TikTok in a engagements hacking to your advantage. And this course is for the entrepreneurs or professionals. Influencers can also learn this course, and this is a great TikTok marketing technique course. You can go and check out the link given below. So our next course is learn 6 simple steps to make money on the TikTok app. It's provided by the Udemy, and here you learn topics like discovers the process that can use to earn $10,000 on the TikTok app. And this course is for the this course teach you the from most 6 simple steps from which you can learn earn the money from the TikTok. And it's anyone who can interested in this making money using the online TikTok app, they can definitely go for this course. Our last course is take your TikTok marketing strategy to next level by later. This is provided by the later, and here you learn topics like TikTok can help you find the app participants in your community, and you can increase your visibility to reach and discover how you can capitalize the most recent trends. And this course is for the app for the social media managers, or influencers or creators and business owners. They can definitely go for this course. So here all the courses are ended, and the links of all the courses are links given in the description box. Make sure you go and check out at that, and for which course you're gonna enroll yourself, comment it that also, and click on the subscribe button and bell icon so that you get updated more about the online courses. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, all of you.